What's up, YouTube? Back with another POV, man. It's been a minute. I know it's been a minute since I have been on this. Well, it's just been a lot going on for me. But I'm just glad to get y'all back this content. So today we're gonna be cutting up in traffic. But to be honest, I really just want to do a POV to update y'all, let y'all know what's going on, why I haven't been so consistent. It's just because I'm getting a lot of work done to the car. It costs a lot of money to, you know what I'm saying, work on cars and stuff like that, especially at a young age. Alright, y'all, I'm back. My bad. I ain't got a phone call. By the way, y'all, I do not have the Diablo tune no more installed, so that's kind of sucks. But I got a new tune, but it's not as powerful as the Diablo tune, I won't lie. But I only got that tune right now just so I can ease into the new transmission and engine, because I don't want to fuck nothing up, you feel me? So I'm going to just keep it P and just do what I do, you know what I'm saying? Because I know y'all might hate that I don't got the Diablo tune with the 93, with the long tubes, all that stuff. I had to do what I had to do for the motor, because the car I had, well, the motor that was in this before was an all-wheel drive RT. So it came with a transfer case, and I wasn't at the time, I didn't know. So with the new engine and transmission I have now, SRT engine 5.7 with the adapter kit, it runs perfectly. So I'm just trying to break it in, and then once I break it in, bro, I got y'all with crazy and better, way better videos, because I've been real inconsistent, and that should be hurting. Let me let y'all hear them downshifts, bro. I know y'all missed them downshifts. Hold on. They still aggressive. Shit. I missed this shit. I missed this shit so fucking much. To be honest, do y'all think it would be better if I close this window and then y'all hear it from the back? Pause. Nah, that's not loud enough. I want y'all to hear that shit. POV drive in a, what should I call this? A 5.7 SRT. Let's go ahead, nigga. Now I'm gonna hit y'all when this light get done. This light be extra long. And the light finna turn green, so we back weedy. It's back weedy. I'm gonna put it in automatic. I don't feel like doing all that shit. I just want y'all to hear this bitch now. I know what he's doing. And then the light turns red. Nice. Fuck, this shit sound nasty as hell. I love fucking Brimrose, nigga. I'm gonna put that shit on every single video I got. Fucking crazy. I think it just shot a flame. Y'all heard that? Yes, it still shoots flames. Yeah, it's been a minute since I've been doing YouTube, bro, but I'm finna get back into it, man. I swear I miss doing this. I swear I miss driving my car. So glad that everything is coming together. It took a while, but sometimes you just gotta trust that process and things to pay off. Man, I'm gonna hit y'all when this is over with. Edit CJ. Like you just don't expect that from a 5.7 though. Like that's why I love my exhausts, because you don't expect that from a 5.7. Nobody will expect a 5.7 to sound like that. But it's the American racing headers, bro. Like y'all gotta get them bitches. American racing headers is the best headers I've ever heard on any car on this planet. I don't care what no one says. It's worth the money. That is just beautiful. Like it give you the perfect tone, perfect sound, everything you want. Like. But I do say cut off the resonators, because I didn't like how high pitch it was at first. So if you don't like that high pitchness, then cut off the resonators. If you want to keep that deep, like growl to it, cut off the resonators from the Corsa. From the Corsa Extreme with the American Racer headers. Just cut off those rear big ass blocks. You're gonna see them, nigga. Well, I didn't cut them off. I just didn't put them on, because I mean that's still a lot of money. I can sell those resonators for at least like $400 for the resonators. So I didn't cut mine, but I just didn't put them on, and I just put my 5-inch tents back on, and the car sounds amazing. So if that's like the sound that y'all kind of want, then go for it, because I still got the mid mufflers. Wait, no, other way around. Cut off the mid mufflers and keep the resonators, and then just keep it straight to the back with the American Racer headers. So it's American Racer headers all the way back to the resonators, and then the 5-inch tips. That's exactly the setup I have. So if y'all want that type of setup, then yeah, do it. Because it's worth the sound. The car sounds fucking amazing. Nobody will hate up. Look, like even if your shit a 5.7, I promise you, comments, everybody still gonna look, because they like, damn, like that shit crazy loud for a fucking 5.7. And don't let you have a cam. If you have a cam in your 5.7, oh my goodness, I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. 5.7 is so underrated. I'm not even on the gas, and it's just screaming the whole neighborhood up. Big John some downstairs. Shit. And yes, it does pop sometimes. See, look, you stay at like 3. Yeah, you couldn't hear it that time. There was no burbles. Not that time, no burbles, no burbles. There we go. Yeah, it popped. But that's not pop. That's just the fucking, what they call it. Now it's popping. That's pops. Oh. And that right there is why I call it skill. Alright, y'all, I'm back. You got that downshifts? Yeah, how much is? Like shit. I love that shit. And that right there is why you get Dodge over Mustang, over Camaro, over Corvette. Okay, not over Corvette. Corvette is beautiful. But yeah, that's why car you go Mopar or no car, because that shit is outrageous, nigga. Like what other car on this planet is gonna make that noise like that? What other car on this planet? Somebody tell me, besides the Corvette with long tubes, what other car is gonna sound like that? Crazy. It's amazing. Like I just can't fathom like how Dodge literally woke up and they were like, you know what? Fuck it. Let's make Hemis, because that shit is crazy. Like it takes a lot of skill. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck with this shit. But shit, that's going on today's video. Hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna start back getting more consistent when the car is getting better, more and more better. As y'all see, I did wrap the car. It is getting a little better. So I just wanted y'all to know a lot of things is getting in the process. So I'm gonna show y'all the wrap pretty soon when everything's all said and done. But yeah, for right